Math 102, example 3.5.1, version B. So now we're going to look at rational functions. These are basically fractions. We define them as p of x over q of x, where p and q are polynomials, and the denominator q is not 0. Our most basic shape is that reciprocal function. Now, generally, these are going to come in two pieces or more. So you can see those two pieces. We are going to have things called asymptotes, and we will get to them in the next part. For now, let's look at how to graph them. So here we have the same sort of transformations we had earlier in this class. So with this function, that minus 3 at the end means we're going to go down 3. The plus 1 in the denominator, that's a horizontal. And remember, those are backwards from how I think they should be. So I'm going to go left 1. And the 2 on the top means I'm going to stretch by 2. So here, I'm going to go left 1 and down 3. I'm going to put little dotted lines here as my asymptotes. We usually draw them as dotted or dashed lines because they're not, strictly speaking, part of our function, but they are going to help us draw that function. Now, as with all of our other transformations, we can graph on the calculator to help check. The thing I would like you to notice is I have parentheses around the entire denominator because there's two terms there. If you don't put those parentheses in, it will not graph this correctly. Now again, the graphing calculator does not graph the asymptotes. We will look at how to find them in a minute, but we can at least get our basic shape.